What's up, my friend? We're back. It's a new week. It's actually Monday, and I think the upload date is going to be today as well. So not much editing. I'm working on an intro and outro. Haven't quite got that far yet, but that is coming soon. But this week has been pretty good or decent up until today, Monday. The market opened up very bloody red today. But it's so funny. It really didn't affect me that much because the day-to-day fluctuations isn't really what I'm concerned about. It took me a while to realize how important it is to invest for the long term, to really develop that mental capacity, that internal strength to realize it's not just about what's happening in these fluctuations, but it's the long-term growth, and that could take some time to develop that trait. But we're gonna hop over into the computer, and we're going to see what's going on in the M1 Finance portfolio, and then in my personal capital, and see what's going on across the board here. So let's get this ball rolling in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Here we have the M1 Finance account. As you can see, this is just today. We're down 2.8%. Yes. Man, it's this coronavirus thing is freaking doing this thing, man. It's scaring people. And as you can see, when people get fearful, they tend to sell and hold on to their assets. Or not to their assets, but they liquidate their assets, better yet. Some of the main losers, man, is all over the board. Microsoft for sure, Apple 4%. Everything in here is red. Everything in here is red. So there's not much I need to go into that, man. But I want to show you real quick over here in the personal capital side of things. Where is it at? Look, here's one thing that's been keeping me afloat here. If I go to my holdings, as you can see here, if you just look, if we can go back for the week, let's go February 17th, right? Or was it the 16th? 16th through now, right? As you can see, my index in the past 9 days has really only gone down 0.46%, and compared to the S&P 500, 4.43%. But here's what's been keeping me afloat: these micro cap stocks here. Pav Medical has been saving my butt countless of times. Like right now, as you can see, that's pretty much the only thing that's really green is this, and just a couple others. And my bonds, of course, is kind of keeping me afloat, but everything else is just bleeding red. That's why I really enjoy creating some growth, having some growth stocks in my portfolio to sort of balance things out, as these dividend companies, they're not the booming growth companies, but they're paying you out that nice check every quarter or monthly. So but yeah, it's pretty awesome. As you can see, in the past 9 days, my portfolio overall has been doing very well. If you look for the month of February, my portfolio in comparison to the S&P 500 for this month, it's freaking beautiful. Up 6.14% in comparison to the 0.15%, and that is mainly to do with some of my micro cap and small cap stocks that I hold in other platforms that I really don't talk about in this channel, besides just whenever we look at this. But that's ultimately what's been going on. If we check my Roth IRA account real quick, we can check some income, see what dividends that I got paid so far. In the month of February, I did not get paid that. Let me see if I can find a category, see if I can search dividend. There we go. So in the month of February, as you can see, I got a total of $6.45 so far in dividends. Pretty sweet. Of course, we're gonna want that number to grow as time goes on, as I continue this journey. And one of the biggest things that that I have noticed in my 6 years in the market is the consistency in contributing. That's one thing I didn't do 4 or 5 years ago. I put my money in the market and I kind of set it and just forgot it. It grew, but the potential of or the exponential growth that could have happened if I was consistent with contributing would have been exponential, you know. So that's one thing that I've learned. So now, you know, if you're watching this and you're on the fence about investing, or you just kind of put it in there and you're fearful, just really, I like to look at it as a glorified savings account. You know, so just put whatever you can in there. $10, $5, doesn't really matter. So just be consistent, okay? I think my camera's about to die, so I got to end this video. But blessings to you. If you like this video, give it a like, share it, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'm going to be doing probably more news type stuff as well here in the future, but for right now, we're just going to update, keep people motivated and accountable for contributing to their investment portfolios. Okay, so I'm out of here. Create a great day. Blessings.